Welcome back, guys, to another episode of our Ganiteo Lang Yan. We are going to discuss the second part of making your PowerPoint interactive. So, before our first episode, our first part of this making your PowerPoint interactive, we created loading pages, menus. Okay, so these are what we call menus. Okay, so we have our loading page, our menu, okay, and options, so that whenever we click on the go, we go to um, the definition of animation and everything about it. So I've already added some information on my animation slide. So what I'm going to do now is add some interaction. For example, questions every after a discussion of an item. For example, animation. We want to add um, simple quiz after this. So let's say I add another slide here. So this will be our quiz, and let's just change this one to this, and then let's insert a shape. Let's see if we can have a question mark shape there, and cancel. Then shape fill, outline. Okay, so let's have a quiz, and let's just remove. Can we remove the background? This drawing. Okay, so for example, we want to add this question mark. Let's just align it center, align it middle, and let's add some word art style here. Let's say, let's test what we. Let's test what we have learned. This is okay, good. And then let's change that to okay. Let's make sure it's, and make sure that this one is also aligned centered. Let's test what we have learned. Let's add some animation here. Here. Start with previous, and then let's extend the duration. Can we? Can we add some animation emphasis maybe? Okay, there you go. After previous, let's extend the duration 30 seconds. Yeah, okay, good. I think that should be, yeah, I like that one. So let's test what we have learned, and then it should transition to the next page after. Then let's add some quizzes here. I want to add some shapes for my, let's say, edit text, exit, because that's better. Let's change it to deja vu serif. Let's do it all uppercase. So exit, we have entrance, entrance. Okay. So it's just like these are your choices of words, and then We want to make sure that it matches the right definition. What else do we have here? We have animation. Let's just add animation. Okay, so we'll add definitions here. Let's say visual effects for objects in your PowerPoint. Okay, that's a good question. Visual effects on your typeface. Nope. Capitalize each word. Okay. And then we want to make sure. Let's just change that to something. No fit. Okay. I think that's better. And then let's align our text. Let's align our text to be I think that's fine. Let's now add an insertion here. Okay. Let's just remove this. So it's just like this one should be placed there. So this is like your place. What do you call this one? Placeholder. Okay. This is like your placeholder. So from here, let's all put this bring all forward. So when it goes there, okay, good. Goes there, good. Okay, and then another question would be moves object. This should be exit animation. Moves object off the slide. Let's add that. Change the case to capitalize each word. So we also need to add this. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. So whenever we flash this one, we want to give our audience options. So these three are your options, and then we want them to check whether their answers are correct after let's give them like I'll give you 1 minute to write down your answers, and then give them the correct answer. So let's animate it. So it's still making our slide interactive. So we want this to move here. So how are we going to do that? First, we have to use animation, and then from here we have animation paths. Okay, let's add animation paths. So it should go here. So as you can see earlier, it has a what do you call this one? It has a destination point, and this is your destination point. We want to move the destination point here to fit. Is it? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, and this should also motion path, but we want to move it to the correct answer. Okay, I think that's it. And start after previous. Okay. So for example, let's us have this part. So let's test what we have learned, and then after that it goes there, and I'll give you 1 minute to write down your answers. Okay, after 1 minute, just have to click and then shrink animation. Shrink. Oh, okay. I forgot. This should be moved. Bring forward. Bring forward. Bring forward. Okay. Let's do it again here. Okay. Animation goes there. Exit goes there. Okay. So yeah, that's the answer. So a lot of things that we can do to make our PowerPoint interactive using animation. It's just like creating a game, making it aesthetically beautiful as well as engaging. So the use of animation on our PowerPoint can vary to different things depending on how you're going to use it. Just have to know you just have to know what are the uses of these animations. So there are different kinds of animations that we can have. We have entrance, emphasis, we have motion paths. So depending on your liking, there are also instances wherein we can create animation for your music. Okay, for example, you want to have like if you're using karaoke or videoke, um, PowerPoint is another tool that we can use for that. Remember, remember the sliding of the text. For example, the coloring of the text rather, so that whenever you start seeing it goes with it goes with the music. Okay, but that's a tedious one. So I'm going to park that for the meantime, and we'll discuss it on our next episode. Creating your own PowerPoint, creating your own video key for whatever song you want, whatever song you like. Okay, so I think that will be it for today's discussion or today's episode. I hope you learned something new, and see you on our next episode. And don't forget to like our Facebook page. Just search Gani Theo Lang Yan on Facebook, and please share and subscribe so that a lot of people will also learn something from what we are doing. Thank you.